Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro. Today, we are exploring the Sony Xperia X8 2026 concept, a phone that is rumored to revolutionize the future of flagship smartphones. From the latest leaks and renders, this Xperia device promises an ultimate experience for creators, gamers, and tech enthusiasts. Sony continues to push design and innovation boundaries, and Xperia X8 could be the most cinematic and powerful Xperia ever. Featuring a 6.8-inch 4K OLED HDR display with smooth 120Hz refresh rates, the visuals are expected to be mind-blowing, making gaming, movies, and content creation incredibly immersive. Sony's signature color accuracy and premium design make this phone visually stunning while delivering unmatched audio performance with improved stereo speakers and high-fidelity sound for videos, music, and streaming. On the camera side, leaks suggest a triple camera setup inspired by Sony Alpha cameras, capable of professional-grade low-light shots, sharper telephoto zoom, cinematic video recording, and AI-enhanced photo processing. Creators can capture stunning images and videos, making this phone ideal for photography and filmmaking enthusiasts. Powered by the rumored Snapdragon 2026 chipset, optimized cooling system, faster charging, and larger battery, Xperia X8 could handle intense gaming, multitasking, and creative workflows without any compromise. Sony's minimal yet premium design ensures both beauty and functionality in a sleek frame. This concept video highlights trending leaks and rumors that the Xperia community is buzzing about globally. If even half of these features become real, Xperia X8 2026 could redefine the smartphone industry, setting new standards for creator-focused devices. Sony Xperia X8 2026. Bold, cinematic, minimal, and ultra-powerful. Watch the concept, join the hype, and visualize the future of Sony Xperia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest Sony leaks and tech news from TechUnboxPro.